'Y ni'n nghanol y beirniadu fan hyn gyda'r adranec y Merlod Cymreig Teip Cob i'r meirch rhwng 4 a 7 mlwydd oed. Stewart Morgan o'r gwyr, dyma fe, yn y canol fyny yn y glas tywyll. A'i wyneb sy'n bellach yn chwedlonol yn dywe.
Yndi braidd, yndi Stewart yn
Hoff o adrodd stori?
Wel ie, mae'n teimlo yn blaen ar ei wyneb o.
A pha blaen?
Gwrs yn cael cipolwg bach arall rownd rhain.
Bydd angen i'r stewardiad I gael sgwrs fach falle gyda Stewart cyn bo hir?
I gyflymu.
Mae'n hwffi yn dywe?
Di mae o.
Siŵr le mae'n mynd I fynd. Mae yna
Swapio'r
newidiaeth.
trydydd ar pedwer. O, neu troi nhw ar ei ochr. Neu swapio'r trydydd ar pedwerydd.
Mae Eiros yn dringo. Eiros Llyr Morgan fyny yn dywe?
A'r het I diosg.
A'r dderchog, ac Abergafeni Oscar wedi dal gafel ar y safle cynta ac yn meddwl cyment i'r un sy'n dangos hefyd, sef Jonathan Batt.
Jonathan Hill. Ie, Jonathan Batt wedi cael triniaeth ar ei gefn. Felly, ffrind agos iddo fo Jonathan Hill sydd wedi bod yn gyfrifol am paratoi Oscar ac dangos a wedi cael dipyn o lwyddiant tro ma'n barod heledd. Yn bencampwr yn sioe Severn Valley, yn bencampwr yn sioe Ceredigion ac yn bencampwr yn sioe y Cynol Barth yn Solihull.
Wrth gwrs, ie, gwellhad buan I Jonathan Batt hefyd. Fel wedys ti Jonathan Hill sy'n o'n blaen yn I fan hyn.
I wish people ask me what's the value of talent. To me, priceless. Because once I sold it, when I'm in the sheep yard here, back down to the bottom of the ladder, is my next door going to be as good? Our clientele, farmers, very, very deep pockets, short the glass. The current year record price is £29,600.
Dyma chi wr sydd wedi gwneud I waith yn wych heddi yn y prif gylch. Jonathan Hill yn dangos Abergafeni Oscar. Yn ennill y march 4 I 7 mlwydd oed yn yr adran ec y Merlod Cymreig Teip Cob.
Joe Mason with Sioe blinder back in the pen. And the third heddiw is third in the box 3-4. Clearly Jones Evans with Bryn Sailor Knights. And Bedwerin in fourth, we have 8-4-1. And this is CI and L. Taylor and Jones with Tadel Toy Soldier. Yn y bumed safle in fifth, we have 8-3-0, Bowerman Brothers with Newydd Gotti. And in sixth, we have 8-3-1, Jamie Garland with Buxwood Bereni. Felly, llofgymorchiadau mawr i'r beithwyr yn y dosbarth ar gyfer Stallion ifanc. Mi fyddwn yn symud ymlaen nesaf i'r dosbarth ar gyfer Stallion 8 oed cyrsod. So if you have joined us by the members centre side of the main ring, we now move on in the section C to class 71, the Stallion 8 years old or over. And then back to you, diolch Liam.
Yeah, right. I just explained it. We're going to look at the sheepdog competition between these two. And your name?
Helen.
Oh, Helen is my dog. I selected right girl. Right. Sheep out of the pen, in turn, around that cone, back into the pen, by for clockwise, away for anti-clockwise, stand, walk in a west raise accent. Okay? Right. The top staff of this grandstand, you are going to be the adjudicators, okay? Give them every opportunity, clap and cheer, and we'll come back at the end. The ones with the loudest clapping and cheering will have the bragging rights today. They were the sheepdog champion in the main ring. As you bought my dog for £250,000,
Well, Jonathan Hill, you're showing here on behalf of the Abergavenny stud, as I'm aware that Jonathan Batt has had a bit of work done on his back. You've just won the Royal Welsh for them. Do you think they're happy over there?
Yeah, well, I hope so anyway. I'm very grateful to have the honour to do it. You know, they've supported me for a long time, so it's nice to give them something back. So.
Well, you flew around that ring, and you have got a championship to coming up. Are you going to have time to get your breath back?
I don't know about that. I think he will, though, anyway.
He'll carry you around. Jonathan and Claire watching?
Yeah, they're over there watching, yeah. Plenty of support.
Perfect. Well, I would imagine the support will keep you running, and good luck in the championship.
Thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.